Question number 7. So this is a calculation related question. So I have given you the method of doing this. But I would like to talk a little bit about the idea. Okay. The idea here is hydride is burnt in excess oxygen. The idea of giving excess oxygen which means it has undergone a complete combustion, which means at the end of the reaction, there is no NaHB remaining. That is one point. That means which will be completely converted to nitrogen and water vapor at the end. So the overall reaction is this. NaHB plus O2 will give N2 and H2O. Okay. The first thing that you have to do is write down this equation. So the first thing is you have to write down this equation. So NaHB plus O2 will give N2 plus H2O. The second thing is to balance the equation. Okay, the second thing is to balance the equation. So how to balance this? So nitrogen, you have 2 nitrogen, but here you have a nitrogen. So the easiest way to balance this is, okay, now I will put a here. So it will be 2Na. So to make this 2Na, you can put 2 here. So there are 2Na. Here also 2Na. So how many HBs? 2 HB. So here already 2H. So the remaining is B. Okay. Then you have to balance oxygen. Okay. So how many oxygens are here? B oxygen. But here already 2. So you can put B by 2. So B by 2 times 2 will be B, which is similar to B oxygen. So you can balance in this way. That is the second point. Okay. How to balance it? Just think A and B and balance nitrogen and hydrogen as it is. Then balance the remaining oxygens using this. Okay. The concept of this question is the Avogadro concept, where you can use the volume ratio is equal to molar ratio. Okay. So if I check the question, yeah. So this is 20 cubic centimeter. Okay. This is excess. No idea, no point. And this is 10 cubic centimeter. And water vapor is 30 cubic centimeter. Okay. So how to find this A and B? The only possible way is to think the Avogadro concept, where we think equal volumes or equal volumes of different gases will have the same number of moles at constant temperature and pressure. So you can use that concept. So how to use that concept? Molar ratio equals volume ratio. So what is the molar ratio between these two? 2 is to A. 2 is to A will be equal to 20 is to 10. So in principle, A is equal to 1. In the same way, you can find B with respect to this and this. So 2 is to B will be equal to 20 over 30. So it will be B is equal to 3. So according to that, N1H3. So principally it is ammonia. Okay, so this is very straightforward. The only possible thing that you can do is volume ratio is equal to molar ratio. Okay, But this question can be a little bit changed like this. Since this is excess, if this is a closed container, there will be this one. At the end, there will be some amount of oxygen also. If this is in excess in a closed container. But we have no worries because they have not told anything about this one. They have given directly the volume of N2N water. So there is no problem to do this question and no hard feelings. So just you can do it very easily. This is a straightforward. Okay. So moving on. So I have given the method to do it as well.